What's up, my producer friends? It's David with another monsterproductions.com. I just wanted to make a quick announcement / update video. I am still going to be doing my normal tutorial this weekend, so keep an eye out for that. As you can probably see, I did get a new camera, so I'm super excited about that. Still waiting on another lens to come in and trying to kind of work out the kinks of the lighting and stuff in my room. So hopefully you guys appreciate that. Either way, I'm definitely really excited about it. The first big announcement that I wanted to make is that I just created a new Discord server, and I really want to turn it into a place where we can all just hang out and chat. But the main reason I created it is to do live Q&As once a week on there, because I get a lot of questions from you guys and tutorial requests. So I figured this Q&A would be a really good way to answer anyone's questions all at the same time. So if you have any questions, definitely join the Discord server. There's a channel in there where you can ask questions, and then I'll be going live once a week and answering everyone's questions. I'm going to try and do the Q&A every Sunday at around 1 p.m. my time, which is Eastern time zone. But even if you don't have any questions about production, I'd still recommend joining the Discord server just to hang out. And who knows, maybe in the future, we're kind of tentatively talking about doing beat critiques or something else in there as well. So, I'm totally open for suggestions. Just please read the rules in there and make sure that you're respectful of everyone. So that leads me to the next sort of announcement that I want to make, which is that I really want to start doing at least once a week live streams. And a while ago, I actually created another YouTube channel where I was planning on doing this. And I'm extremely busy right now, so it's really hard for me to get to all these things that I want to do. But I just want to go ahead and put this out there. I'm going to try and do this as quickly as possible, hopefully maybe starting next week. And I'm tentatively thinking for the live streams that I want to do at least every Wednesday around 12 p.m. Again, that's Eastern time zone. And I have various things that I need to work on throughout the week anyway. So the thought is that I can just live stream that. So some Wednesdays I might be doing like beat cookups. Some Wednesdays I might be just making loops. Some Wednesdays I might be doing sound design, maybe working on kits. Whatever the case may be, I'm going to try and live stream that on Wednesday. So if you guys have any interest in checking out the live streams, I'll be sure to leave a link in the description of this video to my other channel that I created for the live streams. I don't want to convolute this channel with doing live streams and the tutorials, at least not right now. And the same thing goes for the Discord server. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description for that as well. So that's pretty much all I have for now. Definitely keep an eye out for the video coming this weekend, and I will see you in the next video.